I've had this hairdryer for about a week or so and put it through some vigorous testing and it definitely delivered. The motor is very powerful and blows plenty of hot air to get the job done. It usually takes me about 5 to 10 minutes tops to dry my hair with this, which is a pretty big upgrade from the $20 one I got from Walmart 5 years ago. The attachments are definitely a huge bonus as well. I'm definitely going to have to spend some time on YouTube to learn how to use them properly. Everyone in my family uses this dryer and it hasn't slowed down or given any problems or hiccups. I am definitely happy with the product and would recommend this to anyone looking for a powerful hairdryer on a budget. In addition, with the 2-year product and 1-year replacement warranty, it's an absolute bargain for the price. So I tried buying the cheap hairdryers from the retail stores, returned one after another since they were just blowing slightly warm air. This one is the right size, strength and has all the necessary equipment, so I'm happy with it. This hair dryer is great. I purchased the Black Me. The dryer has a glossy finish which looks very nice. It is comfortable to hold and can dry hair fast. It is not too loud even with the high mode. It is very powerful with the high mode, although it is lightweight. This makes it easy to carry for traveling, which I believe will be good for people travel a lot, as I always found the dryer in the hotel is not easy to use. It comes with 4 different accessories, 2 airflow nozzles, 1 styling pick and 1 finger diffuser, which have for different purposes out. I believe it is also a very good product for people who have a different hairstyle. The dryer also comes with a hanging ring. It also has a cool shot button which works for approximately 15 seconds. This cool shot button can be used anytime when the dryer is operating, no matter what heat or speed setting it's currently operating on. It makes the product very easy to use. The dryer came with a user manual in English. This gives you instructions of how to use it and I found it very helpful. Another reason that I love it is because it has different settings that include hot, warm, and cold, as well as low and high. It can tailor your need and gives you different options to choose from. This is probably similar to a salon quality hairdryer, as it does feel like. I think it is really worth of money and is exactly what I am looking for. In summary, I think it is easy to use, easy to carry for traveling. It has many functions and modes that you can choose from. It suits for different hairstyles. It is a very pleasant purchase and I would highly recommend it if you would like to have a powerful hairdryer with a great value for money. Very safe to use, comes with few nozzles that are removable, which is handy while cleaning it. Styling pick is my favorite nozzle. This is a good hairdryer. I would highly recommend it. Great attachments to use with it for different styling. Heat and wind power are super. Click link in description for more reviews.